Ready when you are.
One, two, three.
Hello. So this has pretty much been kept as a surprise for you guys, but the boys at German Autohaus here in Woodinville, Washington are pretty much stirring up something, and they may or may not have fabricated me a full custom titanium race exhaust for my Audi R8, and today we're gonna be installing it. We already have the FI exhaust on there. Love that thing. It's valved, it doesn't drone, it's perfect. Whereas this exhaust is gonna be for the people that they don't want any sanity in their life. They just want full balls to the walls as loud as possible, because it's gonna have no muffler box, it's not gonna have valves, it's gonna be raw. But we're about to do a freaking big rally with crazy exotic cars. And you know, I'm a content creator. I know you guys like raw and loud and crazy, and that's exactly what these boys here are gonna do for us. So we actually just got the car from Wrap, and we're bringing it straight here. They haven't seen what I've done to the car as far as visual wise with the whole Harlequin thing, so we gotta get their opinions on it.
Know that you were wrapping it?
I told them, yeah, I told them what they're gonna do, or what I'm gonna do, but I don't know. Ilya's like shaking his head.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Brings me back to VW, old school.
Oh yeah.
I remember this.
So we got this color, we got this color,
Yeah.
we got red color.
Yeah, exactly. The tornado red, the Chagall blue.
Looks like remind me MK3
Yep.
Yeah.
GTI. Yeah.
It'll stand out.
100%.
It'll be remembered on the rally, which would be really cool. Ho 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 ho. Alright, so this is how you know we full custom right here. All thanks to these guys. So we're gonna be able to see this right through the rear vents. This is exactly where they sit. So like it all starts out like all silver.
Yeah, they
Whatnot?
start, yeah, mostly like after weld it looks silver, and then we change the color. It's like a burning, but this is electricity.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is not. Sometimes people use storage, but no.
Okay.
We use different stuff like electricity, big power,
Mm-hmm.
and they change the color.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's so cool because you got the color fade in between each weld.
Yeah, they change little bit after. I want to see how it's changed after you drive,
Yeah.
after warm up. But this like they turn to the gold.
And oh my god. Oh my god.
Like nothing.
Yeah, like I get like
Yeah,
just
see,
fingers.
Just like, yeah, and
It's-
now it's a fingerprint over there. Everywhere.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. No, now I'm fingerprinting
No,
it all up.
we've been doing that. No worries.
Titanium, baby.
Titanium.
Titanium.
And sound.
Yeah. So titanium is clearly lighter, stronger, and louder. I mean, it's the best of all worlds. The only con, what? More expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, more expensive than stainless steel.
And the second step is Inconel. It's
Mm.
really expensive
Mhm.
and really strong, but they mostly use for F1 technology because no crack. No
Oh, okay.
crack, but this is twice expensive, more than titanium.
Don't touch, please. It's really hard to clean it off.
Hands off, hands off.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my lord. Just straight out the back. So is it like you got headers and then are those the cats?
Yeah.
And then you
The headers with the cuts, already sports cuts inside. Still no smell, just like when you fire up a little bit.
yeah.
Problem. Do you have neighbors close to you?
There's always gonna be neighbors around, but my thinking was it was already waking them up, so a little bit more bass isn't gonna, there's only so much you could do.
When it
Okay, park inside your garage, close the door, close the window, fire up.
Cold start in the garage with everything closed. So this is all full stainless steel. So it still kind of changes color a little bit.
It does, but it depends on the
Material.
stainless they use.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Cheaper it is, like faster it turns blue and
Yeah.
dark gold.
To give you guys an idea on what we got here, so this bolts up exactly to where those bolt up. And you can see that our flow of sound and air is all going from here, wrapping around onto this big box, and then finding its way all the way out. Whereas this is just as straight as can be, full straight pipe. This is titanium over this is stainless steel, and titanium is just always much louder. Those two things combined make a pretty big difference. So this is the first startup on the full titanium race exhaust. Ready when you are. The firecrackers went from like little pops to like full-on bombs now.
Your glasses start vibrating.
Yeah, the plexi was just like, you could see it vibrating. That's the best cue to see other things vibrating, because the biggest difference is just the pure bass and the vibrations that you feel compared to the previous exhaust. One, it's hard to capture the difference in volume on video, but it's even harder to capture what you actually feel on video. So that's, I guess, a good interpretation. Jade hasn't seen the color that we made the R8, so it's a really good color, I'd say.
I have no clue.
Jade, what color do you think it is?
I'm guessing like a navy blue, but I don't think that's quite your style.
Yeah, it might have a little bit of that in there.
Yeah, you guys are lying.
Okay, you're gonna turn this way, and now you can open your eyes.
Okay, you guys ready?
Well, it's more like that way. Yeah. Okay, okay, more like, yeah, okay, that's good.
What? Wait, what? Okay, this is actually like super fucking sick.
I don't know about that.
I feel like anyone logically should be like, I don't know about that.
This is actually really fucking cool. Oh my
It's
god.
wild.
It's like nothing I expected. I thought it was gonna be like one color.
Yeah, nah. You could have guessed 4 different colors and it'd be one of them.
This is so fucking
Yeah, he said
cool.
navy blue. I was like, God, dude, check out the exhaust.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So that's our brand new titanium in there.
Dude, this thing is so fucking
Bro, get the
Hey,
UltraMotive.
hey.
Get that.
UltraMotive. You trying to get the phone?
I'm trying.
Dude, this is so fucking
Oh, dude, this
sick.
camera's so OP. It knows how to focus that.
Oh heck yeah.
Yeah, that's what.
So you've seen like these before?
I've seen one at I think it was Springfest, but like I had no clue.
Oh yeah, that's he did that one though, because that was a wagon.
Yeah, but I had no clue what you guys were talking about when you guys were talking about Harley Quinn. I was like,
Dude, that's why. Well, at least if you've seen it before, then you'll be like, oh, that's sick. I want to show this to someone who doesn't know what a Volkswagen Harley Quinn is, like, at all.
well, I didn't know, but I literally thought you were gonna get like actually like Harley Quinn on your car. I was like, why?
Oh, like the Margot Robbie
yeah, I was
Harley
like,
Quinn.
why are you doing that?
I mean, that would be.
Dude, I'm just such a big fan. I just want to be Joker.
No, this thing is so fucking sick, dude. Like, I'm actually really hyped about it.
And now it's gonna sound even crazier.
We should turn it on.
Oh, we will.
Oh my god!
You ready though? Dude, that was tickling my eardrum.
I literally felt that in my chest.
It's bassy. Bro, I'm so excited to take it out on the road. Dude, we've made the loudest R8 in both ways.
Yeah?
In just noise and visually. It doesn't.
Titanium definitely helps it out.
Yeah. No
Definitely.
kidding.
All I can say is I'm sorry for your neighbors.
So if someone else with the Gen 2 comes here and they want the same thing,
No problem.
You guys be able to make it for them.
No problem.
All right, so yeah, you guys,
Stainless steel or titanium.
stainless steel or titanium, and you guys are working on a Valvetronic system
We
too.
are.
Yeah, exactly. So
Coming soon.
coming soon. So, German Autohaus here in Woodinville, Washington. They are the best people I could ever have doing stuff to my R8. And you guys can come here if you happen to have any Gen 2 or any R8 of any kind. See if they could custom fab up a full titanium exhaust like that. Steso Performance is going to be the name of the brand. Oh, I see. You guys already got it fitted on there perfectly. Just slid the Sylvia.
Really?
He just dumped the clutch.
What?
There's a cop like back there.
Uh-oh.
There's like an Damn. Not on my fresh exhaust day. You're gonna tell me that there's gonna be a cop behind me?
Dude, your car might be fast, but you ain't seen a 1.6 Miata. It's not even gonna be close.
Alright, well unfortunately I no longer have valves, unlike the FI exhaust, so I can only be so quiet. Oh, here he goes.
It's not even a cop.
Is it not a cop?
No.
Oh, screw that. Utter havoc on every level in this poor parking garage. See, the last times I did this, it was like on a weekend or off school hours. Yeah. But can't really do much of that right now.
Bro, we heard you way before. Huh? Way before the school.
Really?
Did you hear when I clearly did like a
You
up
did.
to 3?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go hit the tunnels for the first time with the titanium straight pipes. We're gonna get blocked by Outback, watch this, I'm calling it. We're not gonna have any room. We're gonna have to give ourselves some room. Come on, Outback. So it's gonna get even louder. Here we go. Oh my God! Did you see Samir's? Great Newell in his M2 China Blue. Yo, Joaquin. Bro, this is typical Seattle weather right now. Oh, that looks sick. Audi brethren, where are my other homies at? Come on, go, go, go. The RAV4 though? Oh, he was eyeing this car. He was like staring at it. Yo! That's so sick! UltraMotive friend group without half the group being in BMW. Yeah, the exhaust definitely made this car a lot more fun. I'd say so. Yo, dude. Oh my god. I was like being cameraman, like holding in. I'm trying to be so quiet, like keep the camera steady. But holy shit, dude! Yo!
You still have stock cats, dude. I don't understand.
Wait, you have cats still?
Yeah, I still have
cats, dude.
It can get louder than that.
Is he California legal? I don't know. I don't think it's Seattle legal. Your exhaust shakes my seat right in that, and we're like 3 lanes away from you. Well,
And that's what I keep on saying is it shakes the seat inside the car. It's
I hope, dude.
there's so many more vibrations.
But the crazy thing is, I'm 3 lanes away from you.
He's like 3 lanes away, windows up, music like blasting.
And I just feel a tingling in my butt, and the M3CS doesn't have massaging seats.
Dude, I was fucking nice as hell, dude. I had the heated seats on. I was getting a fucking shiatsu massage.
With the exhaust.
Nice as hell.
Let's go! Bro, it's so sad. That's gonna be the last time I'm gonna see that car for a while. Austin is literally moving down to Arizona. This will be probably the last time I'll ever see him ripping around in his 240 up in Seattle. But he'll be back. We'll see him at some point. Yo, pound it, yeah. And he's got the Gold Rush hat on. I love it. Has he? Have you heard it yet?
Yeah, I heard
The blue one.
Yeah, the blue one.
Yeah, the blue one, right?
Yeah, it's way louder. It's like every color in
Yeah.
the Audis.
Makes her look like a toy.